What's up YouTube, it's your boy Will Ryder back at you with another video, and yes, that is a taxidermied puffer fish. In today's video, I'm going to show you really quickly what I've done in the past 3 days on my truck. There'll be a follow-on video showing how I did it all. Thanks for watching. Oh man, it's already starting to get dark out. Old oil pan. Terrible design. This morning I did rear differential case. You can see it's still drying. Cleaned it all up, painted it. All the bolts are torqued, but I have to wait 24 hours to put fluid in it. Okay, so we got the new centerlink. I had the straight centerlink in there, but I like to have some turning radius, so I got replaced. We got the stabilizer was replaced. So I got traffic going by. Idler arm, brand new. You can't really see it too well, but we got a new steering gear up there, along with the pitman arm, brand new. The differential was leaking, so it was dropped down. Broke the split seal right here, and sealed it, put it back together. Already took it for a test drive. It does not leak anymore. Along with this flange over here, the CV shaft seal. That was replaced, not leaking. New oil pan. New oil filter, new trans filter, and I really like this oil pan. Like I was saying before, I don't understand why GM designed it the way they did, because this one is deeper and flat on the bottom. Sorry about the changing light there, but I like it. It was leaking real bad where I thought I had a rear main. I had cleaned this up real good a few weeks ago. I looked through this little peephole. It was not leaking from the rear main. It's from the oil pan was leaking up in here. I also had to shorten this 15mm bolt that's right here, but it fits now. Transmission cooler lines. I finally fixed them. I mean, they've been leaking since I've owned the truck back in was it 2009? It's getting windy now, so it's just 3 lines. They got replaced. Again, test drive, no leaks. New fuel filter. I don't know if you can see it, but we got new upper control arms with ball joints and new lower ball joints. So that's everything I did in the last 3 days. In the video that's coming up soon, it'll probably be 2 parts. I'll show you the harder things I had to do, mainly dropping that front differential. Appreciate you watching, and I'll see you soon.